guys, luto muna ako ng ganito, oh. Namimiss ko yung ganito.
The water.
Luto ako ng Pancit Canton, guys. Ito yung aking tuyo.
Yeah.
Soy sauce. Soy sauce.
Hi guys.
Ito na yung soy sauce niya, guys. Malapit na maluto. Ito na yung noodles, guys. Guys, haluan ko ng ano. Ito. Yan yung pansit. Haluan ko yan.
Nagbaho na ako kanina ng...
Yun na, ito na yung Pancit Canton ko, guys.
Guys, I love Canton.
Let's eat na, kids. Michelle, let's eat. Oh, this is Pancit Canton, huh?
So guys, this is my most favorite meal I've ever eaten, guys. I only got to eat this a few times, but it's so yummy, guys. It's pretty good.
Yummy.
It has peas.
Excited naman isa, oh. Oh, excited now.
Guys, I like it. I love it when they put vegetables inside, like the carrots and
Kainin, ha?
Okay.
Dapat may
gonna
itlog,
taste it,
dapat may itlog pa yan nilaga.
Oh yeah.
Oh, ano?
It's hot though.
Hot.
It's yummy. It's yummy.
Sabi?
But it's burning me. It's burning my mouth though. Thank you guys for watching this video, and also thank you to you, Mama. You made the best food ever today. And
Best food.
yeah, this is so yummy. This is my favorite. Oops. Anyway, guys, bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more cooking videos and other content. Bye.
Ayan, partner natin ang chicken.
Yeah, guys, this is yummy. We got the chicken yesterday.
Chicken Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Oh, ha? Kain, ha?
I'm trying to put it on my plate.